Hey Carb Dodgers, welcome back to the channel. If we haven't met before, my name's Alan. I like to chat about low carb cooking, a little bit of low carb, I guess mindset stuff as well, a little bit of encouragement, a little bit of stoic philosophy, all those good things. So if you're north of 50, then paying attention to what you eat is incredibly important. And if you're choosing to cut carbs, then you're looking for good decent meals that don't involve the potatoes and the pasta and the rice and all that sort of thing. And invariably, you're going to come around to steak. It's not a tough thing to do, steak and salad, steak and veggies, that sort of thing. Now, I guess the primo cut of steak nowadays is the humble top. Nothing humble about it. The tomahawk. It's once in a blue moon treat, I guess. I was out at a restaurant in Brisbane, of all places, last week, and I saw somebody order the tomahawk, and it came out with the big fanfare and the waiter with his little brulee torch singeing the sides, and a lot of theatre, and probably best part of $200, I guess the people pay for that out at a restaurant. So what I'm going to do today is show you how to cook one effectively at home. So what we've got here are a couple of tomahawks, and they're really like almost like a roasting joint of beef attached to a huge bone. And I don't know quite when they came around as popular, but it's one of my favorite special meals. And so without further ado, let's get into it. So what we're going to do first is just add a little bit of olive oil just to help things stick, little salt, little pepper, and then we're going to head to the barbecue, or grill, I think you call them elsewhere in the world, and we're going to basically sear these to kind of caramelize the outside a little bit, and sort of seal in the moisture. But if you do that, you're going to basically have raw steak through the middle. So if you're into ultra rare, then you can just eat it like that. In this house, not so much. So we'll finish them off in a hot oven. So let's head over to the barbecue. So as you can see, I've got the barbecue smoking. Just add a bit more olive oil. Always olive oil, never seed oil. Seed oil is really, really bad for you. I'll probably do a video on that at some point. So just got a bit of olive oil on there, and now we'll grab our tomahawks and get them on. So I'll pop the lid on, and we'll give that probably 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
So we'll just check those. What we're looking to do is just really caramelize the surface of each side. So it's got a bit to go yet. Okay, I've had about 10 minutes, and that's what we're looking for, a nice sear on the outside. So we'll give them a spin, and then give the other side about another 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, let's take a look. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. So I might just sear that side while we're here. It's hot, 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 hot. We'll give that a minute or two. Okay, I reckon they're good. So we'll transfer them onto an oven dish, or oven tray, like so. And then we'll get those into the oven. Okay, so these will go into a preheated oven for, I'm guessing, 20 to 30 minutes. So this I've got it on about 180 centigrade. Not sure what that is in Fahrenheit. Guess you could look it up. I'll pop it in the on the screen somewhere. And so we'll see you when that's done. Okay, this bad boy's out the oven. I've had about 20-25 minutes, and they are looking superb. So I will leave those for probably 5-10 minutes to rest, and then we'll have a look, see if they're done. Okay, let's see what we've got. So man, that's looking pretty good. A little bit pink in the middle still. Nice and juicy. So the perfect Tomahawk steak. So what we're going to have that with, I will have that with nice garden salad. So we've got tomatoes, baby spinach, cucumber, capsicum, all from the garden. So in fact, so is the beef. As far as dressing goes, again, all of the shop bought salad dressings have generally got loads and loads of sugar. So what I do is just get a really good quality olive oil. Little splash of balsamic vinegar. Give that a mix around and then add that as a dressing to the salad. So there you go, Tomahawk steak. So to recap, it's 10 minutes sear on either side on a very hot barbecue, followed by 20 to 30 minutes in the oven at about 180 centigrade, and I don't think you can go far wrong. So my name's been Alan, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.